Konnichiwa, it's Nami from Just One Cookbook, back with another video for you, and today I'm going to share how to make 6 different kinds of avocado toast. Avocado toast has been popular for almost a decade now, and today I'm going to show you how to make avocado toast with a special ingredient, sesame oil. Sesame oil complements avocado really well, and it adds umami to this already delicious treat. I had so much fun creating different types of avocado toast, and I want to thank Kikkoman for sponsoring this video. They not only make soy sauce, but also have sesame oil and many other condiments. Without further ado, let's get started. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it thumbs up and leave a comment below. And if you love Japanese food, please follow along on Instagram and Facebook at Just One Cookbook. Since you guys are watching till the end of this video, here's the Japanese word of the day. Sumimasen or suimasen. It means excuse me. If you want to call a waiter or staff at restaurant or shop, you can say sumimasen or suimasen. You can also use sumimasen when you bump into someone or passing through people. If you want to apologize for small thing, you can say sumimasen. But it's probably better to use gomennasai, which means I'm sorry. Sumimasen or suimasen. Have fun using it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and see you next time with a brand new video here on my YouTube channel. またね!